So how can you improve the iPad's gaming performance? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, well, definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one, right? So there are more things which you can do, of course. Inside of your settings app of the iPad, you can go to the accessibility and check out the motion section. And you can see we have the option to limit the frame rate, right? So if you feel like your iPad is taking up a lot of like the CPU power from a game, you can perhaps lower it down to the 60 FPS instead of the 90 of your promotion display, and this should boost up the performance of the game. Obviously, it's not going to look as smooth or as nice, so yeah, it's definitely a trade-off, but you can turn it on right here. Then also you can close some apps in the background if you have some other processes running. You just don't want to have that turn on, so the whole power can be focused on your game. And also in your settings in the general section, you can disable the background app refresh, either generally for every app or specifically for some apps which you believe might be using up your power even though you're not running those apps at the moment, right? So you can turn it off like that and make sure that nothing really is interfering with your iPad's performance. Other than that, I would also go to the focus mode and enable the gaming focus, which might limit some other connections as well. Like it will block notifications, and yeah, it will also like indirectly make your gaming performance better. But if you also want to like get the most out of your game, perhaps using a controller like a regular one from PS4, PS5, or Xbox or whatever, you can also connect it through Bluetooth to the iPad, and this could also like boost your performance, and also like general like the game situation should be better. So let me know which of these things helped you out. Well, definitely subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials like this one for your devices. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.